somewhere between motivated and cold. You on the ledge of all 241 ways to be you, basing guess upon guess. There where somewhere between motivated and cold, believing your good friends down to the bile in their beauty marks. They who found you counting back toward yourself, so haven't dreamt and heavily armed. Yet another blues thief told in however in one day and every Monday. Things begin with indiscriminate street noise, more vague and normal alliance of all those with high levels of work in their blood and clocking their wake up early, shaving damp breakfast skulls with fresh ladies' leg razors, so that one day the moon might hold 500,000 nice-sized hoods, easy and plenty of fast restaurants.